Hello my lovely, beautiful, gorgeous people. Hello, it's Odette. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming in and for watching today. I do appreciate you guys. Welcome to my new subscribers, and I know some of you guys are coming over from TikTok to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much. If this is your first time, it's a skincare and beauty channel. So we have lots to talk about today, so we are just going to get right into this video. So we are going to start with Rem Beauty. I am currently obsessed with this product. I'm actually wearing this foundation today, and I use a little bit of this concealer, and this is such a beautiful match for my skin. Absolutely love it. Obsessed with it. Again, I'm going to leave the name of this in the description box for you guys because I've talked about this before here on my YouTube channel. Just currently obsessed. The concealer is just amazing, and it matched perfectly with my skin. So again, that's going to be down below for you guys. My next obsession is this product here from Yardley. This is a shower gel, and everything about Yardley is English rose, and it smells awesome. Absolutely beautiful. I just cleared the shelf with this when I went to Shoppers. They had 3 on the shelves, and I just picked it up. It was like $11. It wasn't expensive at all. It smells beautiful. You know those days when you wake up in the morning and you say to yourself, I don't want to go to work today. And when you hit the shower and you use this, it wakes up your senses. It just makes you want to get up, get dressed, and move on with your day. It smells divine. Absolutely lovely. Obsessed with this. And again, I do have a backup. Next, I do have this product here from Nakery Beauty. I've mentioned this before. This is face, body, and hair wash. Okay, you don't need shampoo, conditioner. This is just one and done. And this has all kinds of good stuff in it. It has mineral salts. It has niacinamide, vitamin C, olive oil, coconut oil, magnesium to just help and soothe the skin. We do take our magnesium supplements, but this is for the skin, for the hair, for the face. It came in a set of 2, and this is it came in a set of 2. It came as a combo, and this is a skin toning body butter, and I showed you guys this several times before in the past. This was a combo, and sometimes on the shopping channel, you know, you do have that showstopper where you get some of these amazing deals just as a one-time thing. And this again has niacinamide, it has caffeine, vitamin E, and it has shea butter, and again loaded with magnesium. Great for your skin. Amazing combo. And I am using just that much because I don't want this to finish. I mean, you can check out the shopping channel, although when I was looking at the showstopper, this was the last one, because sometimes they don't usually bring these things back. It's just like a one-time deal. But my current obsession, oh my god, absolutely love it. And this is from Gabrielle Union, and I showed you guys this before already. This is a shine enhancing heat protecting spray, and to me this have like a little bit of a conditioning effect as well, because yes, I'm wearing a wig today, but normally I would spray this on my natural hair. You can spray this on your wigs as well, because I know sometimes some of you use a curling iron in your hair. Just spray this in a few minutes before you start curling, and I find that this leaves my hair so soft and shiny. It is just amazing from Miss Gabrielle Union, and this was only $11. Very, very inexpensive from Shoppers Drug Mart. And this is from Biore. Again, I showed you guys this already, and I didn't realize I was going to love this product so much. This is the Aqua Rich Weightless Moisturizer, and it is SPF 30. And sometimes when you put some SPF on your skin, some sunscreen, you have this white kickback on your face. This does not do that. It is very, very, very light, and I'm wearing this under my makeup today. It is so beautiful. Again, obsessed. Everything is going to be down below for you guys. Now, I remember I showed you guys this particular eye cream from Elizabeth Arden. I had gone into Shoppers Drug Mart. They gave me a sample, and this was about 3 weeks or so ago, and it still has like a little bit in it. So I went back to Shoppers Drug Mart and I said, do you have more samples? She goes, no, it is all gone, because a lot of people came in and asked for the sample. And I thought, why not just get the real thing? And I thought, because this is so good. And this is the actual cream. This is called the Advanced Ceramide Lift and Firm Eye Cream. When I tell you something, this is like a miracle in a bottle. And you just need a little dollop of this, just a little dot on your fingers and to the side of your eyes, and you are going to see the big difference on your skin in a matter of days. I don't have any crow's feet. I don't have any wrinkles. I don't have any of that stuff across my eyes, because when I started my skincare journey, I was using a lot of eye cream, which really helps to get rid of the darkness under my eyes. But this is magic in a bottle, and you will thank me later. And again, I picked up the full size, okay? And this is going to last a very, very long time. I haven't used it yet because I'm trying to finish this little sample. And it's a little bit high priced, but it is worth it. And I personally would rather spend the money on something that's expensive and works, as opposed to just buying makeup products and having it sit in my drawer taking dust. It, again, a little bit pricey, but it does work. You guys are going to thank me later. However, when you buy this eye cream, you will get a gift with purchase, and this is a beautiful, beautiful cosmetic bag or clutch purse. If you want to use it as an evening out, as a little clutch bag, that's fine. And of course, if you want to use it as a cosmetic bag, like when you're traveling, that would be perfect. It's a good size as well. I am not going to tell you guys what's in here, but you do get 6 sample products in here, including a perfume. And I want you guys to experience this yourself. Please go to Shoppers Drug Mart, pick up your eye cream, and you will definitely get a gift with purchase. It is so amazing. And the perfume is called White Rose, I think, and it's just to die for. But I think I'm gonna have to go back and get that perfume. But back to this eye cream is absolutely amazing. You will not be sorry. And I was also given the ceramide capsules as well from Elizabeth Arden. I've never, ever, ever in my entire life used any ceramide capsules before. And of course, you guys know what they look like. They're these cute little things. You just open the top and put that all over your face. And there's a whole bunch in here. And this was also given to me when I got the bag, okay, from Shoppers Drug Mart, because I did purchase the full size of the Advanced Ceramide Lift and Eye Cream. And when I tell you I am beyond obsessed, I feel like I have a problem. That's how horribly obsessed I am with this eye cream. And so I also have this serum primer from Wet n Wild. I am obsessed, folks. I have such a problem, and I don't know how to fix it. And I think when these products are all done, then I'm going to be normal. So I'm wearing this under my makeup today. I kept my makeup very simple, and this is a clingy serum primer, and it has like a slight tackiness on your skin. So when you put your foundations on and then your powders, your skin is going to look flawless, like my skin is looking today. Not very much makeup on my face, very little, but I really love the way my skin is looking. And of course, I did use my SPF as well. I did my skin prep, SPF, this went on, and then I put on my foundation and powders. And this perfume is from Zara, and this is called Blush. Obsessed. You would find this on my website. It smells wonderful. I cannot describe middle notes, center notes, top notes, back notes, front notes. I can't do those things, but this smells awesome. Every time I wear this, I get compliments all the time. People always ask me, what are you wearing? Because it is so subtle. And you got to realize too that perfume comes across differently on everybody. It may smell different in me. It's going to smell different in you, but I absolutely love this. It smells so nice. And the last thing I'm going to show you guys is this vitamin E gentle face wash from the Body Shop. I went back and I picked up 3 more of this because this is so good. And I love the skincare products from the Body Shop because they are completely natural, no animal testing, completely vegan. There is no alcohols, no dyes, no parabens. There is nothing in their skincare products to harm your skin. And you know, they're very, very gentle on the skin as well, and I'm so obsessed with it. So I do have, I'm currently using this one, but I do have 3 as a backup because when these things are done, I just don't want to be out of it. So it's just really, really amazing. And the last thing I'm going to show you guys is this eye cream. This is the Cela Northern eye cream. Again, currently obsessed with this, and I showed you guys this before, and these things make such a huge difference on my skin. It is amazing. And guys, listen, I'm going to leave all of these things in the description box for you guys, just in case you want to pick up on something and thank me later. I have a reputation to maintain on my social media platforms, and when I tell you guys something, just believe me when I tell you that they work. This is absolutely beautiful. This is a beautiful eye cream as well. Helps to brighten up under the eyes, get rid of those sunken crow's feet that you do have, get rid of the wrinkles. It brightens the skin. It is absolutely gorgeous. If you use this in conjunction with your Elizabeth Arden, you are going to look fantastic by the end of summer. Trust me, you will. And so this is the end of the video. I do hope you guys enjoy. I'm going to leave everything we talk about today in the description box for you, just in case you want to pick up on something. But I strongly suggest go to Shoppers, pick up your eye cream and get your gift with purchase, and come back and thank me later. Okay? Thank you guys so much for coming in. My name is Odette, and I shall see you guys next time. Toodles.